Hi, and welcome back to the Business Career College video series. This is just going to be a short video addressing Katrina's question concerning the RIF minimum. And really, the reason that I want to, the RIF minimum, the reason I want to address this is because there's a particular technique that I like to see students employ when they are confronted with a question like this. So the question starts with the statement that Jim will turn 65 this year. And what I want to show is that anytime we have some sort of a time discussion here, when we're having a passage of time discussion, that there's a specific technique that's really going to help us with this kind of question. And it's very simple. You're just going to draw a timeline. So on your scrap paper, you just draw a timeline. You say, okay, we've got today. And then we know sometime later this year, so still in the current year. So let's say that it's 2014, which it happens to be. And we know then that whatever the date, it doesn't matter, anytime between today and the end of the year, so let's say for the sake of argument November 1st, that Jim will turn 65. So now I know that as at January the 1st of next year, which would be 2015, Jim will still be 65. And once I've drawn this out now, this helps me. Now I just have to apply my technical knowledge, and my technical knowledge tells me that I'm going to use the RIF amount divided by 90 minus age to arrive at my RIF minimum, and the age is the age as of January 1st of that year. Ditto for the RIF amount. So both of these figures, we're using the as of January 1st figures. And in this particular instance, we can see that it would be $355,000 in the RIF divided by 90 minus Jim's age as of that date, which would be age 65. So 355,000 divided by 25 would give us a $14,200 RIF minimum. And then all the normal things apply with that RIF minimum withdrawal, such as no attribution on a spousal RRSP and no withholding taxes, or at least no mandatory withholding taxes on that RIF minimum. I'm really concerned, though, that anytime you have any sort of question where you have mention of days, weeks, years, whatever it happens to be, draw out your timeline, lay out your data like this. It becomes much easier. And this is how I answer questions like this on exams. When I write exams as well, it does help. Thanks very much. I hope that that's a useful study tip.